Who are the best teachers to teach mining skills? Hi, I'm Brad Ross with the Global Mining Education Foundation, and this is the third installment in our series challenging traditional beliefs about mining education. Today, we're asking a critical question. Who are the best people to teach mining skills? Traditional education often prioritizes academic credentials, but mining is a hands-on dynamic industry. To truly prepare the next generation, we need teachers who understand not just theory, but practical application. Why are experts the best teachers? The answer is simple. Industry experts are the best teachers because they live and breathe mining every day. First of all, they refine their skills constantly by solving real-world challenges, thus keeping their knowledge current and practical. Secondly, they go beyond theory, teaching not just what to do, but how and why skills are applied in the real world. And third, they use the latest technology and processes, ensuring the students learn skills that are up to date and relevant to the industry. But are the experts willing to share their knowledge? Many mining professionals are not just capable, but eager to teach. Look at industry conferences. Dozens, even hundreds of experts freely share their insights through presentations and discussions. In my experience as a professor, nearly every mining professional I asked was excited to help train the next generation. But there's a challenge. The best experts are also the busiest. They don't have time to build full courses from scratch. So, how do we leverage their expertise without overloading them? There is a proven model. The Geotechnical Center of Excellence, the GCE at the University of Arizona, has developed a system that solves this problem. Instead of relying upon one professor, they hire mid-career mining professionals to lead teams of volunteer experts to develop and deliver courses. Here's how it works. First, the GCE employees bring together a small group of experts to define the knowledge areas and break them into modules. Each module is assigned to a top industry expert, so no single person carries the entire burden. Third, the GCE team facilitates content creation by providing templates, training, and reviews to keep it simple for the experts. Fourth, the GCE handles the admin work, video editing, subtitles, online platforms, marketing, student enrollment, and payments. Fifth, they organize live question and answer sessions with experts so that they can create real engagement between learners and industry leaders. And sixth, they track student progress. They provide certificates of completion and they validate that the learning's been done. Since 2020, the GCE has used 15 to 70 experts per course, offering university level training for nearly 3,000 people that have enrolled, all while keeping the workload manageable for contributors. So, what is the future of mining education? To close the skills gap, we must rethink mining education. The best teachers are industry experts, but we need efficient systems to engage them. Models like the GCE's distributed education approach show how we can make mining education so that it is, first of all, effective, real world skills from real world professionals. It needs to be efficient, sharing expertise across multiple experts. It needs to be affordable, increasing economies of scale to reduce cost. And fourth, it needs to be credible, skills that are taught by the best in the industry. What do you think? Who are the best teachers for mining education? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you're enjoying this series, follow along for the next video where we'll tackle another big question. How much should mining education cost? Thank you for listening, and I look forward to hearing from you.